Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to show you how to kill the process in Linux or Unix. If suppose a process is running longer time, if you want to kill that process, then how you will do? I'm just going to show you quickly. Okay. So first of all, if you want to kill the process, you need PID. So PID is nothing but process ID. How you will get PID and currently what are the processes are running, how you will see. I'll just show you a simple command. So there is a PS command. Okay. So PS hyphen EF. If you give, then what are the process currently running your system in your system, those it's going to show you. Okay, so this is user ID and this is process ID. Okay, so this process ID, if you give in the kill command, if you pass in kill command, then just going to kill this process. Okay, the currently I'm not I just want to show you one process I'm going to open, okay, for our testing purpose. Okay, this command is working on a kill command. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly create one file. Okay, that is like something vi test uh, 10. Okay, so this is I just created right now with vi editor. Okay, so I'm not going to save or come out from this file. I just open this file. Okay, now I'm just going to another window. Okay, so this is our main window. So in this I'm just going to give ps hyphen ef. Okay, so I have just given ps hyphen ef. Now you are able to see this command in this process, right? Vi process. So this vi process is it's showing because it's running currently. Okay, this is the PID 1814, and now I'm just going to give kill command. Okay, kill hyphen 9, and I'm just passing the particular PID. I just want to kill this VI process. Okay, so I'm just giving this PID 1814. So yeah, enter. Okay. Now I'm just going to the another terminal where I have I have opened this VI. If you see in this editor, so you are seeing killed on top right. So this is the message because I killed it. Okay, if someone has killed this process means we will see this message. Okay, it's just come out from the VI. Okay, so now I'm just going to another window and I'm just going to show you like it's killed or not. It is showing in ps command or not. So if you see here there is no vi. Okay, it's killed. Currently it's not running. I hope you understood, and if you have any doubts please mention in the comments. Thanks for watching.